in October. So actually, we're in. Where are we tomorrow? Hall. What time? We're in the Hall at 1:45 tomorrow if you want more of the same, folks. So we're in the field in the Hall playing on something like this, and we'll be letting loose for all comers tomorrow. But we're going to finish off with a little Scottish selection for you. It's called the Badge of Scotland March. And another song called The Star of Robbie Burns. Now, here's the commercial, folks. If you'd like a souvenir of tonight's performance, we have CDs on sale, I think, over here. Oh, there. Mrs. Muriel Quinn has them under wraps there. But she'll lift the wraps very gladly for you to give you a CD for half price tonight. Okay? That's half the price we would charge if we could get away with it, you know. So, that's CDs on sale down there. Do you get any perks with it, Muriel? Do you get a pen or a Daniel O'Donnell comb or anything? No? No? Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to finish off now with the Thistle of Scotland. And I hope you like it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Moneymore. We are the Ulster-Scots experience, and on these last few bars we wish you a good night and a happy 12th of July. Good night, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for listening. Thank you for being a lovely audience. May you all live to see the end of Neighbours, whenever that is. Good night, God bless. We'd love you to stand, please, as we play for you the national anthem, God Save the Queen. God save our gracious Queen, long live our noble Queen. God save our Queen, send her victorious, happy and glorious, come to reign over us. God save our Queen. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. These are the Ulster-Scots experience. Give them a big round of applause if you like them. Thank you very much. We'll see you all maybe tomorrow in a hahel. Did I say that right, Valerie? A hahel? That's okay. Thanks a lot, folks. Good night. God bless. Bye-bye.